Hello, hello. Welcome to Chillin with the Chisholms.
Yo.
We're about to build a gingerbread house with our special guest.
I'm back.
Say your handle.
Josh LXXII, Instagram and Facebook.
Alright, so let's get to it.
Let's go.
So this is the one that we picked. We thought this would be a fun one since the guys like to play video games and stuff. So I'm just gonna open it up.
Just ripping through. With all sheer force.
Okay. So this is what they have in it. These are the ingredients. Now let's get to building.
Here we go.
So like, what's
So
the
this is the
ingredients?
base.
Yeah, the bottom. Alright.
This is something. I don't know what it is.
Boom, we got stars. We got coins. We got little red and blue dot gunnels. Icing, or the black icing, I don't know.
This is
The big icing.
the instructions.
So like, which icing will we glue with this?
Just don't tell us in the
It'll tell us. That's for like
Okay, read the
details.
instructions, Jarel.
Right. Importance. Completely read through instructions before you begin.
Okay.
Right. Be sure to start assembling your castle 3 to 4 hours before you want to decorate it, so your castle has plenty of time to set up and be ready for decorating.
Are you serious?
We ain't finna do that. Step 1. Prepare the cookie. Before you even begin to assemble... Oh wait, I guess I should read these. Don't worry if you should crack or break a cookie panel while working with it. Just use the icing as glue to join the panels. Let set at least 1 hour. Then continue assembling and decorating. Icing can also be used to fill any uneven areas.
HGTV in 30 minutes.
Remember that icing sets quickly. When you're not using the bag and tip, cover tip with the cap that came on the pouch. Be sure to place your candy within 5 minutes of icing to ensure that it will adhere. Adhere.
Adhese?
You're not waiting that long.
Alright. So, step 1. Prepare the cookie. Before you even begin to assemble your castle, check all the panels.
They fine.
As with any big product, sometimes there may be slight shape variations in the cookie panels. Look over all the panels to be sure the edges are straight. Using a plastic ruler and a paring knife, trim the bottom and inside edges of each panel so that they will align when assembled.
Wait, I got lost.
We're not doing all that.
Alright, step 2.
They ready.
Prepare the base. The base is made from the cardboard insert that is included with the wrapped cookie panels in the carton. Place the insert on a flat surface to use as your base for building your castle.
Done.
Step 3. Prepare ready-to-use icing pouch with twist-on tips. Knead icing pouch for 1 minute.
What do you mean?
Like when you knead bread, but you,
Oh, okay.
yeah, just kind of mess with
Come on, you
it. Yeah.
got it, Josh.
Alright. So knead icing pouch for 1 minute to get icing to a smooth consistency. Twist off the cap, remove, and snip the tip to a 6.3 millimeter quarter-inch opening.
You
Twist.
about to build a house already?
Twist on one of the plastic decorating tips. Squeeze the icing from the bottom of the bag. This forces the icing down
Making it soft.
into the tip each time you squeeze.
You can look at this.
Apply even pressure with all fingers. The icing will come out of the tip until you stop squeezing. As you decorate, periodically twist the bag to force the icing down into the tip. Use fingers of the other hand to guide the tip as you decorate.
This is too much.
Step 4.
So what we do with this?
Assemble the castle.
We got to do that.
Yeah, this kit includes 4 cookie panels, 2 short, 1 long front door, and 1 long back. So assemble the castle, you will need to prepare the base. You will need to prepare base. So we have basically, there's 2 steps. Join one side panel to the long front panel.
And which one of these you use for that?
That's the front door.
No,
and
like,
that's the
which
back.
one of these you use for icing?
Oh, it don't matter whichever one you want. You just have to unscrew that and then put that on.
Oh, they connected.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, then we use that one. One of them is the cap, and one is the...
No cap.
No, it's not. That's the cap.
Wait. Oh, okay. I see. I guess there's 2 variations. There's
This
skinny
look like it's
icing.
for piping.
Yeah. Alright. So pipe icing along the bottom side of the panel and along the inside edge along front panel. Join the panel so that the side panel is positioned on the inside edge of the front panel.
What? We got to put icing on the bottom? Oh, we supposed to... Didn't they tell us to split this? Like do a cut or something?
Mm-hmm. You gotta cut that part.
What we
Got
gonna
some
cut
scissors.
it with? This guy got some kitchen scissors over there.
Press sides together and attach the base. Hold
So
in
do we
place.
put something on the bottom of this? Do we have to put icing on the bottom?
No, it just says on the panels, not on the base.
Now what degree I got to cut it at?
That's fine. They said a quarter inch, about a quarter inch hole.
Yeah, it's cuts in half.
Alright, that's good. That's good. That's a little smaller, but it'll be fine. Alright, so press the sides together, just hold in several places until the icing begins to set. If necessary, pop panels with heavy jars or cans. Attach other long back panel and short side panel in the same manner. Attach 2 panels and let dry 2 to 3 hours.
Get the dough.
Get the dough.
Okay, Jarel, you get one of the sides.
Is that what I smell? Is it air? Close the door.
It's that insider. Come on. It says squeeze it on the bottom.
This is complicated.
Very. Like this
You
guy.
don't look like the hole big enough.
Unscrew it. Might have to make a bigger cut. Oh, it's starting to come out.
Coming out there.
Just trying.
You gonna cut it at me? Then you gonna look at me like like everything's just okay. Alright. We have no idea how this works clearly. So we're gonna do what we do. You got it?
It's still coming out.
It's trying to.
I don't
It's starting to
think
come
we
out.
made
I
it
see
more
it.
pliable.
I see it. I see it. There it is.
This is not.
Okay. Super Mario Gingerbread Castle, take 2. Yeah, just
I need to stand on that.
Oh, it is.
I believe in you. That's it. Okay.
Do you go from novice to pro?
Right. Oh, so it's a little bit on the other side. It's upside down first.
No, it's not. It's a brick wall.
Oh, yeah. My bad.
There's a degree in masonry.
Here, hold it.
Hold it together. It's too high. You gotta go down. So. Oh, is Josh holding it in the air?
Is it in the air?
No,
Yeah.
it's on the ground.
Oh, it's the right side of the air.
That's why they told us to make the edge straight. So we can do all that.
Nobody living up in the south anymore.
Right. Okay.
Now hold it for they say 3 hours.
Right.
Definitely not. What else is supposed to do with this thing?
Let's say
What
let it
is
sit.
though?
I guess it
We don't got no top. It just rain, get all up in the cookie.
I think that's it. Oh, you look at the picture. Oh, you're supposed to decorate the toad separately.
Okay.
Toad just gonna be a snack for everybody. Just gonna break that in pieces. Because that's pretty much unnecessary.
There's just building more infrastructure.
Right. Whatever you want to call it. More super glue. Same kind too. It's like
Put it on his head.
it's like Play-Doh.
Get on the table.
How do you slide it down?
It's sticky.
There's
It's
sprays
candy.
on it?
Yeah. I think so.
You gotta press it out, Josh. Let the camera see.
Oh, like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
This is just edible Play-Doh.
Basically. Alright, let's see.
It's edible.
It's a lot of the green. They gave us a little bit of red. And gave
The
us
green
enough.
go on the windows.
Yeah. And gave us enough green.
Unless you want to put the green on the door. And the red on the windows. We can do that.
Okay, so we're using these for the door.
How is this supposed to stick to the cookie?
With the
It's
icing?
candy. Oh, well, yeah, with the icing. Yeah.
Let me turn this around so you can see. So good. Is they not so ain't nobody gonna help me?
Oh,
Y'all just see me trying to turn this around
my bad. Let me move my arms out the way.
by myself. Look cracky too. This ain't falling apart, y'all. It fell apart. It's over with.
Alright. Damn.
That's a,
Well, we had a gingerbread house for about 5 minutes. Castle don't have no little door like that. They had big old drawbridge doors. Yeah, I'll fix it.
okay. What else we got?
It's,
Gosh. You dropping this stuff on the floor? That is not how
Bruh.
that's supposed to look.
That's exactly how it looks.
y'all, look at the box.
That is not how that look.
See where the toad at? Oh, there you go right there. See the toad? Alright, now let's see.
That is not how.
Just like the picture.
Oh, it's just like the picture though.
This don't look like the picture anymore.
Here's my this thing at first.
Right.
It ain't gonna look like that. Because we ain't following the direction.
We show, right?
We didn't wait for 3 hours.
Oh, okay. See, there go the door.
Okay, when y'all see the door, just know who did it, okay? It wasn't me.
That big old drawbridge though.
Yes.
I did not do the door.
Well, the castle did look like a person screaming.
Alright, now we got to put the little things around it.
The gumdrops.
This is what it look like so far, y'all.
That actually look pretty good. Okay, flex.
No flakes. It's on.
Where the two long red ones at? They got two long red ones.
Where you come from?
I don't know, they lied to us.
Where you see long real?
Oh, I see, they got the two at the bottom like that. And then they started doing them
It's the teasing.
like that.
Where is it? Where the long ones?
Come on, Dash.
Unless you want this to look like that toad. The toad had been through it. Alright, you kingdom architects, y'all getting the kingdom right?
Got to.
That's good, that's good. When I get that built, I'm gonna let y'all see the blueprints for the church. Work on that next.
They hear you on YouTube.
Huh?
They hear you on YouTube.
When they say, you have somebody gonna read the blueprints, I say, I sure do.
That's all this is. Let's put some coins in there.
The coins go on the wall.
We can put them on the door, so they know this kingdom got money.
This is edible Mario?
Money bridge.
He go on the door too. We can put him in the doorway.
Oh, Mario.
Yeah, let's put him in the doorway.
So we can't have the money on the thing, but we can have Mario on the doorway.
I'm putting them right there. Right in between.
We can have money.
Open these little things up too.
There's somebody.
Oh, I gotta have a coin up top, like he about to. Yeah.
Go on. This is way more
These
difficult.
made
Man.
out of.
Oh, no, it look like erasers.
Look like they made out of wood.
Wooden chalk.
It's 1986.
Put 3 of them over there. Oh, we got to put a star on the window.
Okay. I think he's upside down, but it don't matter.
This is looking dope.
Actually, we might be on to something.
Dude, you gotta get the stick together.
Yeah. So we gotta have to re-ice them, you know. It's gonna be good.
What about all the little gumdrops that go up on top of here?
Well, we ran out.
That's all they gave us. They ain't give us enough. They cheated us.
Well, we had a bigger door, to be fair. We probably used them all up because the door was bigger,
Oh, that's why it wasn't enough.
bigger than
Oh,
normal.
your big old, what you say?
Drawbridge door.
Yes. That's it.
Paris up here using that icing like she been doing her whole life.
That can't be hard to get out.
We might as well just decorate the front part and then put it up.
I thought that's what we were doing.
Because it ain't going to go back together. So this is what we're doing, you guys.
Yeah.
Eating the icing.
These taste like the star.
They taste like the
They
stars.
taste like what?
The stars.
These taste like the hearts you get on Valentine's Day. Y'all know what I'm talking
No.
about? It'd be like the B-Mine candy.
Well, they can't get no hearts of Valentine's Day.
So hey, play, better get these stars.
They're eating all the house materials.
You know, good.
Half of the house gonna be gone by the time. He gonna eat the drawbridge though.
We'll get some of the coins too.
What if the coins aren't edible? That's what it is.
Oh, well, you'll figure it out.
They're edible.
Everything's supposed to be edible. It's a,
It's a gingerbread
What's it
castle.
do?
Yeah. Well, what's a majid?
come on, y'all, hold it over.
Oh, gingerbread though. The gingerbread in front of the house.
Okay. First of the draw. She doing that makeup. Making this thing look great. See, I could have did that.
That black icing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see. We're supposed to go over the door.
Oh,
But
with that.
somebody built the door up.
The drawbridge.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
So this is our gingerbread house.
Right, the front of it at least.
I ain't making it nowhere.
I was about to say, y'all just working toad. It's the icing though. It's not your fault. We know that it would be bomb if it was easy to get the icing out.
We got bushes.
Oh, snap.
So we got bushes on the side of the house.
You know what else we got on the side of the house? Some star candies. No, it's so good. You feel me, though?
Jarel, you gonna eat all of them.
Look at one.
I got to make Toad look a little bit better.
Ain't even all that.
Bro,
He just did that, Jarel.
you know it's good. Y'all wow.
We're gonna give him some eyeliner.
Oh, you need something.
Emo toad.
Can y'all see what I'm doing?
You're outlining.
But that's not bad.
Y'all see this masterpiece?
It actually helped a little bit. Yeah.
Now he look just like the
Let me see.
man.
Let me see.
Hold about stuff. What you trying to do, girl?
See, not bad. Not bad at all.
That's him. I'm telling you.
Just
That's
needs a
him.
little black beady eyes.
That's
Instead of the white eyes.
Yeah. Need the beady eyes.
There you go.
Now my question is, who gonna eat that?
Probably you, Jarel.
Psych.
You too busy eating these
It's them
stars.
beady eyes. It's them beady enough.
Nah, but it's okay. We're gonna take those.
All right, y'all ready?
Mm-hmm.
Merry Christmas. Okay, let's try to put it back together.
Okay.
Together again.
Try to put this together again.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Hold on. Yep. Oh, it's on.
Probably five.
You did it right every time. All right, y'all keep holding it. Let me send it.
Here's what it's gonna work.
My phone. Get the Merry Christmas.
Yeah, the sacrifice.
I was trying to hold it.
Obedience is better than sacrifice.
What? It was just a little bit too.
Okay, y'all.
Now
We
wait
about
3
to
hours.
Take some pictures and then we gonna eat it.
Mm-hmm.
I was
Oh, the
supposed
kingdom
to do
is
it.
coming to pass.
We were supposed to do it on the back too, the windows and stuff.
Man, nah. That's it.
You
Just turn
definitely
that
not gonna
around.
have enough gummy bears for that.
Right.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. Pass me a napkin. Alright, y'all. This is the gingerbread house. Show the box. We got to do how they do on the little house show when they be remodeling the houses. And they had a picture.
Close your eyes.
They had a picture right there, and then they just lift it up.
Alright, the before and after.
So this is our gingerbread house. That's Toad right there. Let us know what y'all think in the comments. It was fun. We about to eat it now. We're not waiting 3 hours. So put in the comments if you guys have built a gingerbread house with your family. If not, y'all should go to Walmart and get one. They 50% off. It was fun. If y'all wait 3 hours, if you don't, we want to see them. Tag us in your gingerbread houses on Instagram at the Chisholms so we can see them. Or you can leave us a message or something on our Facebook page, Chillin with the Chisholms, and let us know what y'all think. Alright, let's eat it.
Alright.
I'm excited about these.
Oh, wait. I'll
Doorway.
let you get the green. I'll get the red.
What you want to eat? The roof.
Mmm.
We should turn it around so they can see it.
I know I said the star candies was real good,
But they're not.
but the gumdrops, that's the best part.
Okay, this is the front of it.
Yeah, they hit.
The next one.
What about the... You gonna put some behind it to make it tip.
Wow. I just hold it.
It's gonna fall forward.
True. Those on?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all ready to eat it?
Yeah.
What y'all want to eat off of it?
I just want the gumdrop now. Gumdrops was
I
bomb.
guess I should have took a picture of it.
Yeah, I was taking pictures.
Oh, and I already started eating it.
What about it? It
I
still
have
look
to just
decent.
freeze the video.
You screenshot it. Here's some juice. Merry Christmas.
Nah, this picture turned out bomb. It's actually kind of tough. That was a
You
no
gonna
look.
post it on Chillin.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We made it. And we done started eating it. So, we have another one that we might put together in a few days. So, if y'all want to see that, let us know in the comments. And until next time,
We'll be chilling.
let me start the video.